stopping by the channel. Social Nurse here. So the autopsy report is out for the late Cheslie Kryst. The report indicates that she died from blunt force injuries, and that type of injury or multiple blunt injuries are expected if someone falls from a high level. It's being reported that Cheslie lived on the 9th floor, but she actually fell from the 29th floor of the building that she lived in. The autopsy report does not indicate that anything systemically or with her body physically occurred. There is no indication at this point, no indication of stroke, of heart attack, of a seizure. There's no indication that anything physically caused her to have an unsteady gait or to lose balance. So this death, the death of Cheslie Kryst, is still seen as a suicide death by multiple blunt injuries. I also have been reading the comments of other people that knew Cheslie, and Kenya Moore is a former Miss USA. She won in 1993. She won Miss USA. Today she is featured on the reality show, The Real Housewives of Atlanta. But she posted a photo of herself in Cheslie, and she also wrote that they were friends, that they had been texting each other, they were in contact with each other. Actually, according to Kenya Moore, she and Cheslie were always texting and talking and in constant contact, laughing and sharing. According to Kenya Moore, she and Cheslie just spoke with each other via text a week ago. So she's devastated, obviously, by the death of her friend. She refers to Cheslie as a friend. And it's just really shocking. It's a very sad situation for someone to be in such despair, hopeless, helpless, that they see death as the remedy, as the resolution to what they're experiencing. Some people become so depressed where there is a physical pain along with the mental discomfort. Someone brought to my attention that Kenya Moore and Cheslie Kryst have a couple of things in common besides being winners of the Miss USA pageant. They're both from Michigan. Cheslie Kryst was born in Jackson, Michigan. Kenya Moore was born in Detroit, Michigan. Another thing that I was told is that Kenya Moore was known for her hair as well, that she actually had endorsements for hair products, that she was known for that having a nice lengthy mane of hair. And she was often asked about her hair, if it was her hair, if it was extensions, some of the things that often accompany the questions that people, with those of us with big hair, have. And of course, we know that Cheslie's trademark was her big, beautiful hair. May she rest in peace. Cheslie Kryst, suicide, death by blunt injuries. This has been Nurse Student Possibility.